Just made another pot of my butter chicken. This has got to be the best butter chicken I've ever made. I'm really impressed with it. Just let it simmer for another 5 minutes, then let it cool down. Yeah, this is my sous vide machine or water bath, which I let the chicken cook at 75 degrees for, what was it, 2.5 hours. Okay, just sous vide this. Oh, look at that chicken. Beautiful. More chicken than sauce needed in this one. That's nice. Yeah, that'll soak overnight, all day tomorrow. Ready for dinner tomorrow night. Yeah, it's really going to be good. I made it slightly different, this recipe this time. Instead of using a sauce, well, not the sauce, but some of the spices out of a jar, I used fresh spices from the I've got it on eBay. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely the best one I've made. But proof is in the pudding. So we shall let it sit